G'day guys, Ron from Osborne Digital Marketing. Today I'm going to explain what is SEO. Let's jump straight into it. Search engine optimization is the process of getting a web page to rank higher on the search engine results page. Okay, search engine results page is basically just what you see on Google when you enter in a keyword and something appears. Okay, so as an example, I've typed in electrician Miami and this is what's appeared. Now the reason that this page has appeared above the other individuals is because it's optimized for the search engines, and that essentially is what search engine optimization does. It gets the web page to rank specifically for a targeted keyword. That's what it is. Now what goes into SEO is on page and off page. Now those components we will cover a little bit later, but this is why search engine optimization is important for your business. Let's say you are this electrician. That number one spot is going to get 33% of all clicks. That's a lot of clicks. So out of however many searches there are for this specific keyword each month, that individual is going to land 33% of them. Then next position is 18%. Third position is 11%, fourth position is around, I think it's 8%. So from there, if we were to, let's say we were to find out how many clicks this individual might be getting from landing in position number one, we can do that very easily by jumping across to Semrush, which is a brilliant SEO tool that we utilize at my agency. And we'll see, this is going to tell us how many individuals search for this. There's 720 searches each month. Okay, so that means that 720 times each month someone is entering electrician Miami. So if we were to look at it that way, and knowing the stats of how, if 33% of clicks, 33% of the 720 people are going to go across and click on that individual's website, we can start to ascertain how important ranking and optimizing for this page is. So what I've done is I've created a very basic spreadsheet here, and as you can see, position, let's just align position 1 is 33%, position 2 18%, position 3 11%, 4 8%, so on. So this is all the way down to position 11. Position 11 is the top of page 2. So here's 720. Very easily we should be able to go and get our responses. So out of what we're doing here is we're figuring out how many individuals are going to click on number one. So as you can see, so the keyword query is entered 720 times a month. Now when we jump over, we go, okay, so it's 720, 33%, it's the general average that we like to say, which means that of the 720 individuals looking for an electrician in Miami, they're going to get 237 leads just from ranking in number one. Now, if you compare that to the individual that's ranking down here in number 10, they're going to get 14 leads for the exact same keyword. That's why search engine optimization is so important for your business. Very, very important. Now, when it comes to actually understanding what SEO is essentially made up of two components, okay? It's made up of on-page and off-page SEO. Think about on-page SEO as being something that you can control with your website. So your web pages, the way you structure them, the metadata that you utilize, the H1s, the H2s, the way you structure your code, if you embed any videos, these are all things that you can control. So this is known as on-page SEO. The other component, and a very critical component of SEO, is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is the process of mainly link building. So it's where you can get a website that links back to you. And what that does is it's basically like a vote. If you think about it that way, it's like a vote of confidence for your website saying, hey, Mr. Google, I trust this website. You should too. That's essentially what's going on when it comes to off page. When it comes to why individuals should think about utilizing SEO, I've explained it by just leads alone. Simply ranking for in that position one is going to land you over 200 leads. It's very important if you're a Sparky. And same with any other, there's a ton, thousands and thousands of different keywords and services that individuals are searching for. But it's not only that, it's credibility. If you've taken the time to invest in a website, chances are it's for two reasons. You're trying to establish leads or you're trying to establish credibility. Now, if someone hears about your business and they look you up online and you don't appear in position number 1 or 2 or 3, if you're not in the top, they're not going to perceive that as a very credible business. And there's even studies that actually show that individuals trust the search engine results for what they're displayed. So that's how important it is. Even if you're not intending on utilizing your website as something to generate leads, but just for credibility, it is important that you harness SEO to rank high when your business name is queried. That can be achieved through on-page and off-page SEO. I have a ton of videos coming out. I've got a ton of videos now explaining this in further detail and breaking it apart. Essentially, search engine optimization is work that goes into making your web page bigger. Not your website necessarily, but a specific web page better so it can rank on the search engine results page. I hope that this has answered the query, what is SEO? I've enjoyed making this video. If you could return the favor by smashing that wonderful like button, subscribing, you're going to get a ton of free videos and content coming out like this all the time. I really enjoy making this stuff. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Cheers.